Well, hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I have put off this video forever and a day, because to be honest, I really wasn't sure what I wanted to say in this video. But as you saw by the title, the thumbnail, and everything you clicked on, today we're going to take a look at Fable Beard Co's The Grower Farmstead Beard Oil. Okay, this has been out for a while. Lots of people have used it. Lots of people have said it's the greatest thing since sliced beard in their, since sliced bread in their beard. Early, tongue-tied, and guys, honestly, I've been up all night long trying to fix a broken iPad, to make my kids happy, but dad stuff. But anywho, I did not have a lot of success with this. And I'm not bashing it because it's Fable, so all you guys were going to go, oh, well, he loves another company, so of course he's going to do a bad review. Dude, just get yourself off my channel, because I've always been honest, and I pride myself with my integrity, okay? But let me give you some background here on the company like we usually do, and I'll get into all the who's, the what's, and the whys. You can find them over at www.fablebeardcompany.com. That's right. There's two different sites for their normal line and their CBD line. It's just the way he has to set it up for payment and tracking and everything else. You know how it is when you're using full spectrum CBD. It's really got to be monitored in a certain area. They are very proudly made in the USA, and I know Colin was out of Lexington, Virginia for a very, very long time. Like a bad YouTuber, I forgot where he moved to, but he's in a different state now, as I like to call it, Bougieville, having a really, really good time. Now, as I said, Colin, he's the wizard, he's the CEO, he is the HMFIC over there. He does amazing work with products. I really like how his stuff feels in my beard. This is the first time, realistically, with an oil, I didn't get what everybody's talking about. But still, I'm going back there as well. They opened their doors in 2018, and man, he has been running strong ever since. It took a little bit for me to understand what he was doing over there, but once I did, been having a lot of fun. Okay, now the scent profile on this guy is crisp apples, fresh pear, warm oud, aged amber, and jasmine. And the scent strength, it's a really light. I mean, it really, on me, it's not an all-day scent. It was gone within the hour. I couldn't smell it anymore. I went nose blind to it really, really quick. Now, this 1 ounce bottle, 1 ounce amber bottle with the eyedropper top, is going to run you $30. I know. It's a bit on the high side, but that's because of the full spectrum CBD. Now, in order to help with that, I do have an affiliate code with Fable for you that should work over on the CBD site. Take a look right there. Yeah, TCTBNL15. That should save you 15% off your order. Pretty cool, right? Okay, now the ingredients in this thing are castor oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, full spectrum and 50 milligrams of CO2 expressed CBD oil, and a fragrance blend. One of the things I love about Fable is their motto, every beard has a story, because that is so true. How I grow my beard is different from how you grow yours. How you grow yours is different from Johnny on the Spot. So everybody's beard is done differently, and everybody's beard really has a cool backstory to it of, hey, why'd you grow it? Why'd you start growing yours? And I love with Fable and how awesome they are about customer service. They're going to do whatever it takes to try to make sure you're happy. Seriously, when I go to review a company, I always go look at the reviews on products. I want to see if it looks like they're buying. I want to see if it looks like they're faking. I really want to look at the ones in the 2-star rating and see what happened. There's one that seriously impressed me. Colin tried 5 times to make this person happy and finally went, we're not going to be able to help you. Here's a full refund. Okay. Here's my thing with this. I put it off for a little while because Fable was the first to get it to market. They weren't the first with the idea of CBD stuff in beard. Everybody told me point blank, oh my god, it is so awesome. It makes my beard baby butt smooth. Holy crap, my beard's the softest it's ever been. I can't believe I lived without this. Well, okay. I think I was watching The Hype one night, and Colin gave Dave this incredible, bearded motivation, this incredible discount, so I pulled the trigger. Well, I tried it. I didn't have that experience at all. It seriously felt like every other one of Fable's products that I've tried before. Seriously, I felt no softer. I felt no difference. The only thing that upset me was I'm like, I paid $30 and the scent lasts an hour? It's good oil, and if it works for you with that carrier blend, that's awesome. And everybody goes, well, use it for 2 weeks. It's got to build up and build up and build up. Well, hopefully you can see that. I've used where about like right down to here in the bottle. Okay, and when it came, it was filled up to there. I don't see where it's given me any difference in my beard. So I had to start doing a lot of looking, a lot of researching, asking people, especially guys who have CBD products on the market. CBD mixes great, well, full spectrum mixes great with certain carrier oils, and others it seems to dilute it down, and I'm not sure if I'm using the right phrase, but it's like counterproductive to the good effects of the full spectrum CBD. In my beard, I don't get the benefits of CBD, and I don't get that instant softness. I don't get that. You guys know what I'm trying to say. I didn't get it. I have tried another company's CBD product. I'm not going to mention their name. The tester I got sucked. It didn't work great in my beard at all. But when they modified the carrier blend, it was entirely different than my first experience. So, like I said in the beginning, for any of you who are accusing me of bashing Fable, I'm not. Not a good feeling beer. Well, not a great experience for me because I didn't get the effects of the CBD. Seriously, I didn't feel it. That's why I was really putting off this video, because I know there's going to be a lot of hatred on this one. But it's a great smell. I love the scent profile. I wish it would have lasted longer in my beard. I really, truly wish I could have got that amazing effect that everybody's talking about. I'm going to be trying other companies' CBD products because I want to see, is it just the carrier blends? Is it this? Is it that? Is it here? You know what I'm saying? This was my first go, and it was a great experience for me. But yeah, so I'm not going to do the usual, here's how you use it, here's its uses. We're just going to get right to the fun stuff, okay? I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section. Guys, seriously, I'd like to know if it works great for you, if it didn't work for you. Have you used any other companies' CBD products in beard? Because I want to try more, but I really don't want to put out the money for, in my opinion, an overpriced 1 ounce oil that's not going to work for me. And I'm only saying overpriced because if this was his normal line, I could get it for $18. But you see what I'm saying here, right? Okay. Yeah. I'm not bashing Colin. I'm not bashing his products. It didn't work well in my beard at all. So I'm jealous of you guys who it worked in there for. But I know I'm starting to ramble. So, for you first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say thanks for watching this one. Yeah, this one's a little bit different than I've usually done because I really hate... God, how can I put it? I hate when everyone else is having this great experience and I can't have it, It's not like fear of missing out. It's I'm upset that it really didn't work that well in my beard. But, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers on my channel who have yet to subscribe, well, my question's why? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below what I can do to change the course of history of the channel? And, you got some input there. So, let's have a little bit of fun. Now, after you've done all that cool stuff, look right down there in that corner. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and completed that, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? That's a great question. Because YouTube is going to notify you every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love on YouTube, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My overview or overlook or honest review, whatever you want to call it, of Fable Beard Company's The Grower. Guys, thanks for watching this one. I hope all of you are being safe. I hope all of you are having an enjoyable day, and we'll see you in the next video.